Hi there, welcome to Tech Info TI. Today I'm going to show you how to make a logo on your Android device. Let's get started. Open Google Play Store. Type esports logo maker in the search box. After installing the application, open it. Click Create. Here you can choose your logo. Click on Settings to change the logo color. Select a color you like. Now tap on Text to add text to your logo. And click on Add, and here you can choose a font you want. Click on Colors to give your text a color. Then click on Graphics to give a background to your logo. And select Save to save the logo. You can save it in JPG or PNG format. Thanks for watching.